Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Vechain. My name is Andre McClendon, so let's begin guys. So first off guys, Vechain is currently trading at about 1.5 cents. Like most cryptos guys, this crypto has been downtrending. I'm going to get into the charts in a bit. But when we look at some details about Vechain, market cap about 1 billion, ranked number 39. Their trading volume's been 27 million last 24 hours. Let's see. When we look at their chart, we're going to go to Trading View and look it up in more detail. We'll check it on the weekly. Let's see where we are. You guys can check the weekly or monthly. You can see that Vechain had a huge, massive growth in 2021, and since 2021, their high of near, let's say 29 cents around there, it has been going down, and now you see Vechain possibly hitting down even lower, maybe less than 1 cent. Now, this is, some people are going to try to start buying it now and kind of dollar cost average, but there's a good possibility that it's going to be heading down even to these lower lows of 1 cent and below. So for me, guys, I do see cryptocurrency heading lower until end of Q3 and Q4. Cryptocurrency might do a big turnaround. I'm talking pretty much the entire top 100 might be doing a turnaround, but Vechain may be heading down lower. So if you guys want to, for me, I'm going to wait it out a little bit and dollar cost average or crypto cost average in, and wait it out. Enter in a couple of months from now, but enter in once and then twice and then twice a month or 3 times a month and try to get the end of the cup, not this portion right here. But there is some value of buying into it early. I looked it up. The Vechain does have staking. So if you're looking at staking Vechain, there are some yields. You get 7%, 4%. Now, I have not personally tried these out. If you do stake Vechain, let us know in the description box. In the comment section below. Let us talk about what yield you're getting. So I did find some. So there is some yield. So if you guys are buying the dip in a sense, then and getting some cash flow from it, so it's not that bad unless you're getting something out of it. But yeah, I think Q3 might be pushing back up and heading back to those higher highs, especially on Bitcoin. Bitcoin might hit 100,000, but I think that's going to be at the end of the year prior to the election. Now, when it comes to this, guys, if you want some news, here's some news. We're on Cryptopolitan Vechain prediction for 2023 to 2031. What's the growth for VET? Now, if you guys want to check out this news article, I will have it just linked in the description box below so you guys can check it out. It's also on CoinMarketCap, and I like to read these things to get some more perspective about what the plans for Vechain or other cryptocurrencies are. Now, if you guys want to check out their website, it is vechain.org. If you guys want to learn more about it, I will always, I'll always check out the white paper and read more into detail about cryptocurrencies, especially ones that I'm currently in, like Hedera. But guys, that's the biggest information I got for you. You guys want to find anything more, check out my website, andrejmcclendon.com. I got my own business services, so you guys looking for any of these type of stuff related to Forex, cryptocurrency, and stocks, please check that out. And also, if you guys looking for my training information for MQL4, it's right here. Free education, also check that out. You guys have some indicators, please check that out. And services. Economy is still being built. It takes a while for me to get to it, guys. So if you have any questions, comments, let me know. I have it all right here. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and join my Telegram. And I'll see you guys on the next video.